Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a community manager in your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. You have to switch to your regular Facebook account to a Facebook page. Okay, after you log in or after you landing to your Facebook page, you have to click on top left corner this Facebook page name. Click on this and then you have to go to professional dashboard. Click on this professional dashboard, or you can click here professional dashboard. Just click on professional dashboard and scroll down till you find page access. This one, page access. Click on this and now you have to click on this community managers. You can see here, click on manage. Now you have to click on add community manager. Click on get started and you have to add here the community manager's name or email. I have a community manager, so I'm writing the name. Click on this one and click on send invite. Community manager has sent an invitation. If he accept, then he will be able to managing the community. Okay, so or he will be added here. So that this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.